Hi WordPress users! Do you want to set up multiple point types in myCRED plugin? Here is how you can do that. myCRED allowing you to set up an unlimited number of point types. Each point type you create will gain its own admin menu, where you can view each individual point type's log entries, settings and hooks. Important note is that multiple point types are not supported by all myCRED plugin right now. Step 1. To create a new point type, visit the myCRED and click Settings page, and click on Point Types. Here you will find the Add New Type option. Fill input box of meta key and label. Important note is that each point type must have a unique key, which will be used to store each user's balance and to help sort the log according to point type. Always remember, this key must be unique and only contain letters and underscores. Empty spaces will be converted into underscore when your type is saved. Once you have saved your new point type, myCRED will create a new admin menu with the label you set when you created your type. Now you need to enable access to the point types, core settings and the management options for each point type. Besides a new menu in your admin area, myCRED will also insert a new inline editor for each point type you have set up. That's it. So, anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you were able to learn some valuable information. And we'll see you the next one. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get more update on WordPress plugin tutorials and technical videos. Take care.